What's up, guys? So today we'll talk about international premium rate numbers, and here you can see program software what is under name SIP tester, and also you can see here international premium rate numbers real statistic panel. So that means each call on a premium rate number are visible in lifetime, so in real time here in on this international premium rate number website panel. So, and yes, here is another panel as well. So how this actually work? So usually you need software dialer what will do automated calls, and here we can see automated calls. Yes, here is statistic, call data. As I said, software is SIP tester. Usually the software is for testing your SIP, so testing provider lines, but in this case it's used to make automated calls. So you can add your SIP or VoIP account here in settings, and you can add multiply accounts and use them for automated calls.